Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that's got your back when it comes to making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a showdown between two titans, the AnkerMake M5C and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. Will it be a battle of speed versus precision? Convenience versus compatibility? Let's find out. First up, the all-important price tag. The AnkerMake M5C is going to set you back $399, while the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS comes in slightly cheaper at $375. Reviewers note that while the AnkerMake M5C has a higher initial cost, it offers a solid build quality and a range of features that justify the price. In contrast, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its affordability without sacrificing top-tier print quality, making it a great value for money. Now, let's talk quality. The AnkerMake M5C boasts 0.1 mm precision with its PowerBoost 2.0 technology. Reviewers appreciate its ability to produce strong, functional parts with good build quality. Meanwhile, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS flexes with a jaw-dropping 22 micrometers resolution. Users are impressed with the printer's exceptional detail and precision, making it ideal for intricate models. Speed demons, rejoice! The AnkerMake M5C can hit a whopping 500 mm per second. This speed is a highlight for many users who appreciate quick turnaround times. On the flip side, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS focuses on smooth surfaces with up to 50% fewer layer lines. Reviewers note that while it may not be the fastest, it excels in producing high-quality, detailed prints. For those who love to tinker from afar, the AnkerMake M5C offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Users find the AnkerMake app user-friendly and appreciate the convenience of remote control. Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, plays nice with most slicers like Lychee, Chitterbox, and Tango. Reviewers highlight its compatibility with various software, making it versatile and easy to integrate into existing workflows. Durability-wise, the AnkerMake M5C is built like a tank with its 300 degrees Celsius all-metal hot end and wear-resistant components. It's compatible with a wide range of filaments: PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and even PLACF, carbon fiber. Reviewers commend its robust build and material versatility. Meanwhile, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is recommended for beginners who want a simple and reliable entry into resin printing. Users appreciate its ease of use and straightforward operation, although it requires careful handling and a well-ventilated space. Lastly, we have user-friendly features. The AnkerMake M5C has 49-point automatic bed leveling, power and filament outage recovery functions, and a PEI flexible magnetic plate. Reviewers find these features incredibly helpful for a smooth printing experience. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, however, is no slouch either. It's straightforward, affordable, and perfect for those just dipping their toes into the 3D printing pool. Users appreciate its simplicity and reliability straight out of the box. Overall, reviewers find the AnkerMake M5C to be a well-rounded machine with a focus on speed, build quality, and user-friendly features. It's highly recommended for both beginners and professionals who need a reliable and versatile FDM printer. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its unbeatable resolution and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize detail and precision in their resin prints. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The AnkerMake M5C is a speed demon with high precision and durability, perfect for those who want a bit of everything. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS, on the other hand, is the precision king with an unbeatable resolution, making it ideal for detailed and smooth prints. Which one will you choose? The Speedster or the Precision Master? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and keep smart shopping. Product links are in the description.